Hey guys, if you're sitting at the desk and you're starting to get a bit of a sore neck, grab that spiky ball and follow along with me. First thing we're going to do, grab that ball, pop it just beneath your skull, rolling around till you find a nice spot that's about a 7 out of 10 soreness, and just hold that pressure in with the ball. Hold that for a good 10 to 15 seconds. Then what you can do, grab the ball, go a little bit lower. We're going to go just on the top of the shoulder line through there. It's going to be your upper trap muscle. Roll through. Once you find a good pressure point through there, holding it, and slowly bend away from the ball. You'll feel a big stretch through the side here. You can also bend your nose down to your armpit as well. That'll be a really nice release through there. Holding this one for about 20 or 30 seconds. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to go a little bit lower onto our ribs just through here. So popping the ball through, getting pressure through the ball up against the wall. Once we find a nice sore spot, you can stay where you are, or grab your arm, slowly raise till you touch the wall. And then you can also go down till you touch the wall again. You can go across the front of your body too. And so just moving in all different directions will help release off those ribs. The last thing we're going to do is a armpit release. So just underneath the fold of your armpit, we're going to roll down just slightly, almost like we're going to go into the armpit, up against the side of the wall. Once we're there, once again, letting pressure through. Once you find a nice spot there, you can just bring that arm up and down. You can also turn your body on the side and find some different spots that are sore. Once you find a good spot, hold it for a good 20 seconds. Give those a go.